First of all, the splash screen appear with animation, and after 2 seconds, our main activity, our main screen appear with the highest score and start quiz button, right? So when I click on the start quiz, so new page will be open, which has timer of 16 or 15 seconds, and it will show me the question. It has 10 questions, so I have to answer 10 questions, and if the timer is complete, then the next question will appear. So it will show me the next question, right? So the two questions are scripted, which I did not attempt, and in this way the timer works, right? And then we have four options here. So I will select one option. So this question is also scripted. At here I will select one option and submit my answer. If I did not select any option here and I submit, so it will not work. So I have to submit one option, right? And this question and this option are shuffled every time I start a quiz. So the new question and the arrangement of the option will be different for every start quiz. So let me again select one option here and submit my answer. Then I will select this one and submit my answer, and I will select all the question answer. And when I complete and when I submit all the answer of a question, then the result page will be appear. So I have so 4 questions are unattempted because the timer is complete, and 6 questions are correct. So my total score is 60%, right? And below here you will see the list view, which has correct answer of a question, right? So this is the application I have developed it, and when I go back in the main screen, so it will show me the highest score, and that is 60.